Okay, we're here at Baker City Municipal. I'm just about to start that. It's KBKE, and I've selected runway 26. I don't know which direction I'm pointing, but that's going to be kind of in line with the interstate that I need to follow out that direction. I need to be following Interstate 86, and it's kind of near there. So anyway, let's go ahead and click fly and get this thing started. Okay, here we are. We're on 26, and I can't really tell by looking at Google because each end of the runway looks the same. So we won't know till we get inside exactly which direction I'm facing, because it doesn't tell you down here. So alright, well, let's go ahead and click ready to fly and get in here. So we're heading west, it looks like, and that's kind of unfortunate because I'm going to have to turn completely around, and I keep grabbing the wrong mouse because I got two mice because I'm using two different computers. Yeah, I'm facing the wrong way. That's what I'm doing. So, anyway, let's go ahead and power up and take off. Get on here and see what we're doing. Now let's take the parking brake off first. It might make things work just a little bit better. And we need to get right out there.
Salt Lake Center, Cessna Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra Alpha is type Cessna Skyhawk 1
Can't
miles
believe we're
west
on
of Kilo
Salt
Bravo
Lake
Kilo
City.
Echo, 3,900 feet.
Oh my
West,
goodness. Oh no, no, no. Oh, I can't pull out of it. Oh, there we got it. We got it.
Squawk
I
0705,
really stalled. That
Cessna
was
Golf
pretty huge.
Sierra Alpha.
Okay, so we're gonna fly back over the airport. That was nasty. I almost lost control of that plane. It looks like I'm not full throttle or something. Okay, well, I need to go consult Google Earth and try to figure out where 86 is at. I don't believe that's going to be it right below me. It's too close to the airport. Okay, I think I have figured out where 86 is at. And I don't mean the secret agent. 86. Interstate 86, and it should be it right down there. Yep, that's it right there. So we need to follow 86 out quite a ways and then take a hard left at some point. So the filming location is going to be off into those mountains a little bit farther away. There, the throttle wasn't all the way up. It was all the way forward, but I just pulled it back, just like I did right now, and then pushed it back forward, and now it's, I don't know what happened there. Okay, I've reached a point where I need to turn along with Interstate 86, and then I need to follow kind of this trajectory on out. And we need to look for a canyon. Something like that. I'm not sure if that's going to be it or not. But we need to get the plane started and make our turn. I need to back this thing off and straighten it out. Oh, come on, it just gets to the point where it wants to jump really fast. So anyway, I need to be heading in this basic direction. And it's going to be straight ahead somewhere. It's going to be quite a ways into those mountains. So the movie that I'm talking about is from 1968 called Paint Your Wagon. All about gold mining and drinking and all kinds of bad behavior. And it starred Lee Marvin, Clint Eastwood, Jeannie Seberg, and just a host of others, just a ton of people. And the location we're going to is actually identified on Google Earth as No Name City. So we're going to where they built the city for the movie, this old gold mining movie, or gold mining town, way back in the late 1800s. And they couldn't think of a name for it, so they just called it No Name City. And it was just filled with all kinds of nonsense and everything else. Definitely a fun movie to watch. I'm thinking that's probably the canyon that I need to be going up into. It's really hard to tell. Anyway, as I said, if you just type in No Name City, you'll come up with the locations there. It's a beautiful area. If you watch the movie, you'll see if you type in Google, Google it, and I'm sure you can come up with all kinds of photos of the filming, during filming and whatnot, and what it looked like. So the city's no longer there. They were required to, after they were done filming in the 60s, late 60s, early 70s, they were required to remove everything that they built. And, there's several YouTube videos showing people going up there and checking it out and finding little bits and pieces of what's left of the city. They weren't supposed to leave anything. And if you look at it with Google Earth, you don't see anything. There's a campground around there. There's some things like that. But there's no evidence that there was ever a whole town up in that area. It was off course. You see that lake down there? That was my landmark that I found. I wasn't expecting. I was shooting for this canyon over here, but I realize now that I am wrong. So it's going to be somewhere probably up in that canyon there. I was off a little bit, I think. Look back at that lake. That lake is shaped like a boot. You can barely see it there. It's kind of shaped like the boot of Italy. Anyway, so this must be the canyon right here. I can't really tell. Just doesn't look the same from this distance, but those mountaintops look the same, sort of. It's hard to tell. Anyway, we'll continue on. Okay, we are a lot closer to it. This I am almost sure, because the town, No Name City, was built right alongside of a river, and this is a really good indication that I have found the right canyon here. You can see a road down there, sort of a road. That mountain peak straight ahead does look familiar. It looks like it's the one in the mountain, or in the movie. So we don't have too far to go. Yeah, you see a road with a bridge. There's a road that will take you right up to it. Up to No Name City. So, alright, I got No Name City on Google Earth. This looks like it could be coming up right about here. Oh, yeah, I think that's it right there. I think this is the area right there where the city was built. Yes, that's it. That's it. That's where the town was built, the no-name city town. Yep, that's it. The filming location for Paint Your Wagon, and all these really cool mountains are always in the background. You can always see them in the movie. Alrighty. Well, I found the location of No Name City from Paint Your Wagon, 1968. So it's going to be it for now. I'll be back as soon as I can with more flying somewhere. I don't know where I'll be.